tuzam. Bir de gelmiş diyor ki helal etmiyorum sana, senin için uykusuz kaldığım geceleri. Tabi ya, verdi.
Du bist meine Verdi. Wachsen unsere Wurzeln dann zusammen.
Bir de gelmiş diyor ki helal etmiyorum.
Gonna go grab this BM 350 after tax 5 bills. So yeah, gonna grab it. I can hear the back pots like it's like boom boom boom. What's going on, people? Well, go on. No, here it is. Just out the camera. Right, we're in the bath. I'm gonna try to keep the camera on the screen. Just enjoying it with a bit of music for a bit, so I just thought I'd set it up. Alright, listen, today's the start of a new journey, yeah? I'm going to collect this BMW, yeah? I won for £350, that's how much I bought it for. But sorry about the wind noise as well, I like a bit of exhaust noise. This BM 350 after tax 5 bills. So yeah, gonna grab it, see, bam. So I'm not gonna spoil it for you. It's a SE touring thing. It's an SE touring thing. Cars that are still on 1.4s in the market, so tell you, fucking free. That's fucking cold though, man. Tell you that for free. It's a bad boy little car, man. You got no, wow, the heating's gone high. But yeah, pretty nice car still. You know, I forgot to bring some parts, you know, like the engine management tool, scan tool, and logbook, whatnot. But yeah, I just want to see what this BM's saying, because to win on BMW for 350, a 2-litre diesel, I mean, it's not the automatic what I wanted, but still I can have fun with a rear wheel, with the rear wheels. You know, something like on a them vibes there. Don't know where you're going now. Actually, so it's one of them ones. Wow, there's a new LCI, they look nice, you know. Fucking hell. Only thing about the bars, when you put it in sports mode, it's proper jerky. But the exhaust, I can hear the back pots like it's like boom 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 boom. Like a Fiat, a bars have this nice boom boom boom. They have this nice kick to it. Like that's what I love about the bars still. I just hear it. Wicked. Yo, that sounds hard. What's that gear too?
I'm just thinking about that now, so you're gonna still take long. I want to take an hour again, innit? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I should have told you to just make your way anyway, you know. Let me see what you say.
I'm in that phone there last night to get the key.
Yeah, and I was confident.
So when you're ready, just grab the focus and come straight. Okay. It's alright, cool. We have an engine in the box, and it's alright. That's all long. It's a diesel. It's even.
Going on, people. I couldn't even be bothered to video it for you, man. I couldn't even be bothered to video. This is a whip. Come on now. What is going on? We're in the 3 Series. From 2-litre diesel. Oh my god, this is fast. Fast, lorry. Yo, this is off. Oh my! I need to find out if this has got a turbo in it. It drives nice and smooth. It's smooth. The only thing is dirty, cuz. Sorry to shine your ears, baby girl. Wait. This car is dirty. It's alright though, still. Better than what it looked like. On the ad, still better. Way 10 times better than what it looked like. Just hope it's all good. Like the lady said though. Drives alright still. Yeah, I see what you. I'm gonna test it on some humps. I said I got some BM that I love. You see this car that I bought, yeah? It's not a brilliant buy because of the year. Okay, it's alright for a 56. And diesel, like the condition, this car don't feel like a 2006 car, yeah? But this is a good buy for the price I got it for. Oh, this is long. I'm not gonna lie, this is long. To win this car for £350, firstly, yeah, is a bloody bargain. Yeah. Plus you got the full service history. Oh my god, I see what he means. This drives so smooth. Oh my god. Even the gearbox feels so nice, and I've never driven a manual BM in my life, but this one, it deserves a clean in the sunshine, not a quick car wash. Yo, I'm loving this car, yeah? Let me show you some footage of it.
Bir de gelmiş diyor ki helal etmiyorum sana, senin için uykusuz kaldım geceleri. Tabii ya, verdi.
DTC, yo, I should disconnect that.
Bir de gelmiş diyor ki helal etmiyorum.
Spin!
Bir de gelmiş diyor ki helal etmiyorum sana, senin için uykusuz
Lock the wheel
kaldım
on.
geceleri. Tabii ya, verdi. Bir de gelmiş diyor ki helal etmiyorum.
This has got power. dumb fucking cab driver. He fucking got someone, probably fucking got someone else to do his fucking test for him. Fucking hedgehog. Boy, this ride's hump's nice. This is a true, yo, this is a BM.
Bir de gelmiş diyor ki helal etmiyorum sana. Senin için uykusuz kaldığım geceleri. Tabii ya.
Yeah, I'm happy. This is a good buy. Oh, I ain't had a GoPro in my vehicle in ages. No, how long I had one of these in my whip? Yeah, for time. Oh my god. It almost feels like, huh? Who, me? The GoPro. Especially these certain moments. Yeah. Certain moments are.
Bir de gelmiş diyor ki
magic.
helal etmiyorum sana. Senin için uykusuz kaldığım geceleri.
Magic cool.
Tabii ya. Verdi.
Du bist meine Verdi, Verdi, Verdi. Verdi, Verdi. Wachsen unsere Wurzeln dann zusammen.
So the man them just finished school.
Helal etmiyorum.
DTC, let me take that off again. It was that one as well, you know.
Helal etmiyorum sana. Senin için uykusuz kaldığım geceleri. Tabii ya.
Wachsen unsere Wurzeln dann zusammen.
Bir de gelmiş diyor ki helal etmiyorum.
Zusammen.
Bir de gelmiş diyor ki helal etmiyorum sana. Senin için